It was WikiLeaks that made the headlines that put Julian Assange on the front cover. Celebrities worldwide feted the mysterious Australian as an anti-establishment voice for good. His organisation, WikiLeaks, was considered whiter than its owner's hair, an independent, untarnished truth seeker that exposed shadowy practices. The British government has said Assange is no hero, but to his supporters, that is exactly what he is.
The reason people like me stand behind Julian Assange is because at the heart of it, WikiLeaks was a project that says in a free democracy that people have the right to information about their ruling elite acts and behave. You know, Julian threatened the most powerful people in the world with exposure. Ordinary people who, thanks to Julian and WikiLeaks, ordinary people now understand a lot more about the cynicism and corruption of government.
One of Assange's best sources was the former American soldier Chelsea Manning. He allegedly helped her hack the Pentagon servers. The resulting release of millions of private diplomatic cables sent WikiLeaks into a new dimension and the US government into a spin. Washington's true thoughts on its allies and foes alike were dramatically laid bare for all to read. And it was WikiLeaks that reportedly helped Edward Snowden leak a vast cache of intelligence documents, the damage from which continues to this day. In 2010, the Messiah image soured. 2 Swedish women accused Assange of sexual assault and an arrest warrant was issued. Court appearances in London became a circus covered by media outlets from across the globe. Fearing extradition to the United States, Assange eventually sought asylum in the Ecuadorian embassy, protesting his innocence from inside.
Since the very beginning, I have been saying, please ask me questions, let us submit a statement. Let me do a video interview, let me do a telephone call, etc. And there has been a refusal, and there has been a refusal to give a proper explanation as to even why there's a refusal.
For 7 years, his home was 2 small rooms on the first floor of Ecuador's embassy, until his protector finally turned on him.
In the case of Mr. Assange, we were obliged in October to put in written a set of norms for him to behave properly in an embassy. And even so, he didn't act that way.
Julian Assange has always denied working with Russia, but he increasingly set his sights on America, which fueled the theories of a close relationship with Moscow. He remains headline news, but not for the same reasons as those early glory days. Alistair Bunkle, Sky News.